So today on Roblox, I had rated every ES creators. This is only part one. So I have Burlington County WX being in the A tier, the New Jersey one. Texas Golf Coast Buddy. I'm gonna give you a D tier because I never watched you. Lancaster County WX. Shoot up Yoda Trees, bro. X. F. Very cool EAS and elevators. He's the blue car. C. B. Johnny EAS and Thunder. Okay, not just. Okay, so this next one I have is Southern Pennsylvania WX is an S, and Hershey WX is an S. That's me. S. Okay, so